Images of purple Kincaid's lupine flowers. Woman in a red shirt holding a photograph of a couple. This is Mary. Photograph of a couple. The Washington dairy farm she ran with her late husband John has now been in the family for 4 generations. Flowers and tall grass in a large field. These private partners are helping the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and Natural Resources Conservation Service gather seeds that may help save a species. In 2004, Kincaid's lupine, a threatened species, was discovered on the farm. The iconic purple flower is a favorite host of the endangered Fender's blue butterfly. Both of these species rely on Pacific Northwest prairies, one of the rarest ecosystems in North America. On their private, working land, the family voluntarily practices rotational grazing. The practice of letting the cows graze the fields clears them of invasive species and helps the lupine survive. The family is able to both graze their cattle and provide habitat for the threatened flower. Rotational grazing can also help improve a paddock's productivity. Building on this success, the family is allowing USFWS staff to gather lupine seeds on the farm. These seeds will be used to propagate Kincaid's lupine elsewhere in the Pacific Northwest, keeping purple on the prairie for future generations. Fade to black. Animated U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service logo. Produced by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Washington Ecological Services Office. Special thanks to the USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service and the Mallonee family. Music by Ketsa.